Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 7 on the topic of Chapter 11 Creative Question Answer 2. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 11 Creative Question Answer 2. Students, this is our 13th lecture and 13th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 13th lecture and 13th homework. Students, take your home science book, notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about creative question answer 2 and you have to write the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Chapter 11 Creative Question Answer 2. Here is the stem and I'm going to read the stem. After buying meat, fish from the market, Amara keeps this in fridge to preserve this with ice. After the supper, she puts the rest foods in the refrigerator. In case of preserving foods, she gives importance to the temperature of the fridge. Now we have to give answers of these questions. Number A, what type of microbe is coccus? I'm repeating the question, what type of microbe is coccus? The answer is coccus is a type of bacteria. I'm repeating, coccus is a type of bacteria. Now come to question number 2. What is the importance of food preservation? Explain. I'm repeating the question, what is the importance of food preservation? Explain. Preservation is a proper way to stop foods from decaying and store foods with their original quality. By preserving food, we can meet our need of food, can supply everywhere in the country and can sell in the abroad. We also can preserve for drought, epidemic, flood or any natural disaster. It means, students, if we preserve our food, we can easily use them for future. We can handle any kind of drought, pandemic or any kind of situation and we can preserve them for our future time and we can sell them in abroad also. Okay, come to question number C. In food preservation, Amara gives importance to which fact and why? Describe. Our question is, in food preservation, Amara gives importance to which fact and why? You have to describe. Our answer is, in the stem, Amara buys meat and fish. After coming home, she keeps this in fridge with ice and she puts the rest foods in the refrigerator. She does this because she knows how to preserve food. There are 3 types of foods according to their decaying nature. The things that Amara buys from the market, meat and fish, are perishable food. You know perishable, which decay very soon. Perishable food can be preserved by boiling and refrigerating them. So by refrigerating or boiling, we can preserve perishable food. Amara is conscious about the temperature of the fridge. The chamber where food becomes frosted in a fridge is called freezer. The lowest temperature of a freezer is 18 degrees Celsius. Meat and fish are kept in the freezer. Amara keeps the rest food in the refrigerator where she do not get frosted. Where she okay, wait, there is a correction. Where she keeps food. Okay. So the sentence will be, Amara keeps the rest food in the refrigerator where she keeps food to not get frosted but remain cold. The minimum temperature of our refrigerator is 2 degrees Celsius to 6 degrees Celsius. That's why Amara gives importance to the fact of temperature. So I hope you understood the answer of question C, and you will be careful while preserving any kind of food in the refrigerator. You'll use freeze and freezer effectively. Now come to question number D. Amara preserves different kinds of foods in the different parts of the fridge. Discuss about your opinion regarding this. I'm repeating the question for the last time. Amara preserves different kinds of foods in the different parts of the fridge. Discuss about your opinion regarding this. Okay, here is our answer. From the stem, we come to know that Amara preserves the foods in the different parts of the fridge. It is important to preserve food by maintaining its decaying nature. To preserve fresh vegetables in our refrigerator, we should wipe water off them and keep them in a plain bag. No need to keep the vegetables with meat or fish. If we mix meat, fish and vegetable and keep them inside the fridge, it will create a bad smell, and the real smell and taste can be decayed. For the freshness and proper taste, Amara uses different parts of fridge to preserve the foods. So I hope you can understand why she used different parts of fridge to keep all the foods fresh and original. By using separate drawer, we can keep our separate food fresh and more natural. So like Amara, we can use separate drawer or separate chamber of a fridge for the freshness and naturalness of our food. Students, that's for the answers of creative question answer 2, and now I am giving your homework. Your homework will be creative question answer AB from number 2. I'm repeating, your homework will be creative question answer AB from number 2. Don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 13 and homework number is also 13. And submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious, because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.